Hello everyone, welcome in fourth part, the song from heaven. If you remember in our last video we had seen that Father Joseph wrote that poem and they they composed that poem in one tune and they sang in church also. उन्होंने चर्च में वो पोयम गाई भी थी. Now, when they sang that poem, so that times that poem spread all over the world. Means not directly all over the world, but that poem was really beautiful. So when that poem listening another people, so that time they enjoy a lot of. So that poem spread just like magically. In this line they describe that poem spread magically. Now another paragraph we shall continue. A few days later an organ builder from another village came to repair the church organ. Some days later what happened that there was one builder, means repairer. Builder means not that like builder, okay, repairer, दुरुस्ती करने वाला. He was from another village, not from that side. वो उस शहर का या फिर उस गांव का नहीं था, वो बाहर गांव से आया था रिपेयर करने के लिए. क्या? चर्च को रिपेयर करने के लिए. जस्ट लाइक रूफ्स, वॉल्स, इफ देयर विल बी पॉपिंग, cracking. So that like if you want to repair that, so you have to just call the builders, okay, जो उसके related है उनको बुलाना पड़ता है, वो रिपेयर करके देते हैं. So that like same, there was a person who came from another village for repair the church organ. It's fine now, he told Franz Gruber. Please play a tune and check. In this line, now we have to just understand, or now we have to just understood for what he came for repair that piano, where they play that tune, that tune play on that piano, right? उस piano पे वो tune play करते थे. अभी वो उसे repair करने आया था. When he just complete his repairing, so that time he asked, please play a tune and check it. है ना? कोई भी अगर सामान हमारा खराब हो जाता है और जब कोई उसे रिपेयर कर लेता है तो हम उसको चेक करते हैं कि वो सामान अच्छा हुआ है या नहीं है. That like same situation happened in that line. Now Franz Gruber began to play the new song. अभी फ्रांस ग्रुपर कौन है याद है ना? फादर जोसेफ, इन्होंने पोयम लिखी थी. who wrote that poem, okay, but that poem composed in a tune. Who was that person? That person was फ्रांस ग्रुबर, है ना? इन्होंने उस पोयम को ट्यून में कन्वर्ट किया था, है ना? who converted that poem? फ्रांस ग्रुबर. and who wrote that poem? फादर जोसेफ ने पोयम लिखी थी और उस पोयम को ट्यून किसने दी थी? फ्रांस ग्रुबर ने. ओके, नाउ द ऑर्गन बिल्डर स्टूड wrapped with Abby as the musical notes washed over him. His heart filled with joy, and when he just listened that tune, जब फादर ग्रुबर ने वो धुन स्टार्ट कर दिया, then that repairer means that builder, he was shocked because he never listened that like tune. उसने अभी तक ऐसी कोई ट्यून नहीं सुनी थी, ओके, और वो ट्यून को काफी फुल्ली इंजॉय भी कर रहे थे. he was enjoy with that tune. Now after that he said, who? Builder said, I have never heard this song before. Can I learn it? When he just heard that tune or that song. After that he said, I have never heard this like song. This like song. Okay. So can I learn it? क्या मैं इसे सीख सकता हूँ? Can I learn it? Asked the organ builder. Asked the organ builder. My friends and neighbors would love to hear it. And he said that my friends and my neighbors would love. Okay, my friends and neighbors would love to hear it. मेरे अड़ोस पड़ोस और मेरे दोस्त इसे सुनना पसंद करेंगे. Franz Gruber agreed, and that's how the song took its first step outside the teeny village where it was born. And when that organ builder asked, so after that Franz Gruber was agree. वो सहमत थे कि मैं तुम्हें सिखा सकता हूँ या फिर सिखाऊंगा. And it was the first step. ये उसकी फर्स्ट स्टेप थी किनकी? उस सॉन्ग की कि एक टिनी विलेज, एक छोटे से गांव से, उस एक छोटे से गांव से क्या हो रहा था? वो पोयम, वो सॉन्ग अभी दूसरे गांव में स्प्रेड हो रहा था, क्योंकि वो जो बिल्डर आया था, he was from another village. He was from another village. So it was the first step of that song. That song spread to one village to from another village, from teeny village to another village. It was the first step. Okay. The organ builder gathered the children of his village and taught them the song. So, organ builder just gathered the children. बच्चे इकट्ठा करते थे और उस चिल्ड्रन के सामने, उन बच्चों के सामने वो क्या करते थे? वो पोयम गाते थे, है ना? Then they call it Song from Heaven, and song it became popular in several neighboring villages as well. So that like saying, that song become a famous, popular. That song become a famous and popular by from one village to another villages. एक गांव से दूसरे गांव तक ये क्या हुआ है? फेमस होते गया है. इस टाइप से वो फेमस होते गया है. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? In fourth part we had seen that how that poem composed in that tune, and that tune become a song, and that song how it spread. Okay, just like how that song spread from one village to another village. In fifth part we will study, or we will see another. So till then, see you, bye.